lead.
Look at the babies.
Yeah.
How many elephants are behind? Wow.
Oh,
Oh look, it's trying to cross the road.
Yeah, they are going across the road.
oh, they're crossing. This is. Oh, that's good. Right in front.
It's trying to cross the road. Why did the elephant cross the road?
Look, it's coming towards it. Look, look. Coming.
They are not afraid.
Oh, look at the
Oh my
babies.
god, the baby is so cute.
They stick with their mom.
Oh my god, look at the baby.
Right in front of you. Think,
Wow.
Yeah, they get their tusks even when they are young, isn't it?
Wow.
Indian elephants only when they grow.
Oh, it's got little tusks. Yes.
Yeah.
They're crossing the road.
That's the thing.
Awesome.
Oh, this is good.
So awesome.
Oh, they're pretty nice.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I think somebody poop. I can smell something.
Yeah, that's one big,
Oh my god.
one big treasure.
They all the time, wherever they go.
They pooped.
Yeah.
Okay.